Did you know vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from oxidative stress and environmental damage? Research shows that vitamin E can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making it a crucial component of any anti-aging therapy. With its ability to neutralize free radicals, vitamin E outperforms many common skincare ingredients, giving your skin the nourishment it needs to stay youthful and vibrant. So let's discover the 8 natural ways to harness the magic of vitamin E for a youthful glow. Vitamin E can help you eliminate those annoying wrinkles on your face, without spending a fortune on expensive creams or invasive procedures. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that protects our skin from free radical damage, boosts collagen production, and reduces inflammation. It can also help you smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles that harden your face and make you look older than you feel. Vitamin E oil can help improve fine lines and wrinkles by providing an antioxidant boost. In addition, this vitamin protects against sun damage and supports the healthy growth of new skin cells. You don't need to buy expensive creams and serums anymore, because vitamin E and its amazing nutrients and antioxidants can help you remove wrinkles naturally in 8 easy, natural, and effective ways. Our skin loses its moisture, elasticity, and firmness as time passes. Unfortunately, this leads to an increased appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. However, vitamin E softens wrinkles and eliminates signs of aging, but it also protects the skin by fighting free radicals, improves dry skin, helps remove scars no matter how deep, revitalizes the hair, and helps treat eczema. There are many ways to treat lines and wrinkles on the skin, either with the use of vitamin E in capsule form, or with a combination of other natural ingredients. You can use the same treatment for different parts of your face, or body skin. That is, the way of using vitamin E for wrinkles under the eyes is the same as the way of using it for wrinkles on the forehead. But before using any treatment, wash your skin well with medium or cool water, and dry it with a soft cotton cloth to remove any dirt or oils. So let's find out how to remove wrinkles with vitamin E in 8 easy and natural ways. Number 1. Vitamin E oil. Take 2 vitamin E capsules. Use a clean needle to puncture the capsules. Press the open spot with your finger to release the vitamin E oil. Apply and massage the oil onto the skin area, in a circular motion. Do not touch your skin for the whole night. In the morning, rinse with lukewarm water, and repeat this process daily, preferably before going to bed. Number 2. Aloe Vera and vitamin E. More than 96% of aloe vera consists of water, which makes it an ideal moisturizing agent for our skin. Aloe vera helps prevent wrinkles, stimulates and regenerates skin cells, and improves elasticity. In addition, it helps heal damage caused by the harmful radiation in sunlight. In 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, mix the oil from 2 vitamin E capsules. Apply this mixture to the desired skin area. Massage gently using your fingertips for a few minutes. Leave this mixture on the skin for half an hour. Rinse with cool water, and for best results, use this mixture daily. Number 3. Honey, yogurt, vitamin E oil and lemon juice. Honey protects the skin from harmful toxins, and keeps it hydrated. In addition, yogurt improves the skin's moisture content and elasticity. Lemon juice prevents skin shrinkage, tightening pores, and softening age spots. Take 3 vitamin E capsules and extract their oil. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt, half tablespoon lemon juice, and half tablespoon honey. Put all the ingredients in a bowl, and mix very well. Apply this mixture to your face, leave it for 20 minutes, and repeat the process daily. Number 4. Coconut oil and vitamin E oil. As a rich source of many nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins and essential fats, coconut oil is the ideal solution for premature skin aging, and the wrinkles caused by it. Take vitamin E oil from 1 capsule. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil and mix. Gently massage the mixture in a circular pattern on the desired area. Leave it for 15 minutes, wash off with lukewarm water, and repeat this process 2 times every day. Number 5. Vitamin E oil and virgin olive oil. Olive oil helps to nourish and moisturize aged and wrinkled skin. In addition, due to the high content of olive oil antioxidants, it fights free radicals that damage the skin and enhances its elasticity. Take 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix with 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E. Apply this mixture before bedtime, and massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on for the whole night, and in the morning wash it off. For best results, repeat this process daily. Number 6. Vitamin E oil and vitamin C oil. Like olive oil, vitamin C also removes free radicals, as they damage skin tissue. In addition, it strengthens the immune system, and prevents the formation of wrinkles in the long term. Put a 1/4 tablespoon vitamin C oil in a bowl. Add a 1/4 tablespoon vitamin E oil and mix well. Massage gently using your fingertips. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Clean the skin with lukewarm water, and use this mixture daily. Number 7. Honey, turmeric, rose water and vitamin E oil. Rose water has excellent skin cleansing properties, and helps unclog the skin pores. In addition, honey prevents the formation of wrinkles, using its moisturizing abilities. Turmeric helps as an active exfoliating agent, and removes signs of aging and age spots on the skin. Besides wrinkles, one can also use a mixture of rose water, turmeric, honey and vitamin E, for dark circles under the eyes. Put a 1/4 tablespoon vitamin E in a bowl. Add 1/2 tablespoon rose water, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1/2 tablespoon turmeric. Mix the ingredients, until the mixture takes the form of a thin paste. Apply this mixture, and massage gently for a few minutes. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, wash off with lukewarm water, and repeat the process daily. Number 8. Smoothie juice with vitamin E. Drinks that are rich in vitamin E can also prevent the formation of wrinkles. In a blender, add 1/2 ripe banana, 1 cup spinach, and 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds. Add 1 cup almond milk and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Blend until there is a uniform consistency in the juice. You can add crushed ice to the mixture as per your choice, and for best results, drink this smoothie juice daily. Testing another part of your skin is recommended, before directly using vitamin E oil on your face. This is to ensure that there will be no unwanted reaction on your face from this oil. Also, when using vitamin E oil on your face, it's best to do it at night. If you have acne-prone or sensitive skin, you may find that there are better choices than vitamin E oil. So, have you ever tried using vitamin E for your skin? Share your experiences or any tips you have in the comments below. Also, if you want to learn the 9 amazing benefits of oregano oil for skin health, the safest ways to use oregano oil, and the best practices for applying oregano oil effectively, watch the video on the left. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of nature's remedies.